storyteller, have you ever had the most perfecto day ever? Oh, have I ever? I sure remember some perfecto days. Oh, Mickey, remember that trip that we took to Hawaii? Oh, do I ever? That was one of the most perfecto vacations ever. You know what else was perfecto? Oh, I know. The day that we spent driving around Spain with our friends. Oh, you know it, Minnie. Oh, and I can't wait to relive that glorious day. Let's relive that glorious day through Mickey and the Roadster Racers. Mickey's Perfecto Day. You know what's also perfecto? The fact that Disney sent me this book. I get so excited when they send me books because, as you know, Storyteller loves her Disney. Mickey and his pals pack for a trip. Vroom, vroom, vroom. They are going to Madrid, Spain, España. They will see the sights. Donald will sing with his friends. It will be a perfecto day. Oh, see, they've got the Roadsters. Oh, I see Goofy's got the cool orange one. Daisy's got the purple one. Mickey, red, of course. Donald is blue. And, you know this one is Minnie's because she's coordinated her bow with her car because she is that stylish. And yes, the three caballeros, they're going on tour. So it'll be a working trip. The gang drives their daily drivers vroom, vroom, vroom to Madrid. Hola, Madrid. They pass, a baby bull sniffing a rose. But the rose falls off the bush and it lands in Minnie's car. Oh, it's almost like it's a little gift, right? There it is. It's inside her car. She puts it behind her ear. But the baby bull, he runs after his rose. Minnie doesn't notice. Oh, so baby bull is really attached to this rose. What a sweet baby bull that is. Well, the gang arrives in España. Mickey and Minnie go to the market. La, 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 la. It is a perfecto day. What makes it perfecto? Well, look at that. Not a cloud in the sky. It's nice and warm out. We can tell because the leaves are all green, like in the summertime. And Minnie, what is she doing? She's doing a little window shopping. We know what a shopping fan she is, and that's how she always looks so stylish. So she's looking at the dolls, and here's some clothing, and here's some cool blankies, and this guy seems to be ordering something. Oh, but who's that? The baby bull. He's following his nose to the rose. See this little tiny pink trail? That's the scent of the rose, a sweet scent. And baby bull, well, he is fixed on that aroma. Little do they know, they are being followed. Well, Minnie's shopping. Minnie's trying on dresses. Baby bull is sniffing the rose. But Minnie, she is so into her find. Oh, look at this. Isn't this beautiful, Mickey? Oh, Minnie, that'll look so great with that orange outfit you have. Well, she is so about this that she does not notice that there is a baby bull on her tail. Literally on her tail. And by the way, that red dress off the shoulder little number, fabulous. Well, somebody notices. Oh! Mickey notices. Bull! Mickey and Minnie jump into a cart and it rolls away from the bull. Whoa! Oh no, they're going backwards. They have nothing to control this cart. There's no steering wheel. There's no... They crash into a churro cart. Oh, we'll take two, says Mickey. Rawr, says that poor Spanish cart owner. He's gonna have to take more than two. Well, in the meantime, where's everyone else? Well, here's Donald, and he's finding his friends, and they invite Daisy and Donald to lunch. Oh, lunch. It sounds lovely. Something a little al fresco since it's such a lovely day outside. It is, after all, a perfecto day. Can you say perfecto? Yes, just like perfect. Perfecto. Of course, you can say perfecto with the hard R like in English, but if to make it sound more Spanish, you say the R. Perfecto. Can you roll your tongue like that? Takes a little practice, but once you get it, whoa! This is not looking so perfecto. Donald tried some potatoes and he shouts, "They are very spicy." Oh, they probably put a lot of pepper and garlic in them like they do in Spain, and he's not used to it. Daisy tries to help. She gives him water to drink. Well, he drank it all, but he is still feeling the aftermath of the burn. Well, it's almost time to sing, and the group is warming up now. La 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 la. Oh no. Donald opens his mouth. No sound is coming out. Certainly not a singing sound. So who's going to sing at the show? It can't be the two caballeros. It's not two amigos. It's three of them. Three. Oh. Daisy to the rescue. Donald's friends ask Daisy to sing. Who, me? Yes, you. You know you can sing. Don't be shy. Well, Donald, he's sad he can't sing with his friends, but he's got to be a good sport about it. The show must go on, as we say. So he gives Daisy his hat. Poor Donald. You know, his friends are good people. They bring him dessert. Flan. That is flan right there. So they bring him a little dessert so he can watch the show from his table and drown his sorrows in a little sweetness. I mean, that always works, right? Well, meanwhile, where were Mickey and Minnie? Running from that bull. But they run to the show just in time to catch the beginning. And they see Daisy singing with the band. And over here, what is Goofy doing? Oh, Goofy's the backup dancer. Of course. Everyone knows he's an incredible backup dancer. So there he is doing his multi-step thing. And look at her. She's watched all the rehearsals, so she knows all the steps. She knows all the songs, the harmonies. You go, girl! Concert is on. Meanwhile, Donald finishes his flan and he gets the bill. He shouts. Oh, he doesn't like the sound of the bell. And his voice is back. Hey, that's the good news. Bad news, Bill. Ooh. Good news, voice is back. Hey. So, Donald joins the band, but you can't kick out the girl now. Everybody loves her. So everyone's singing together and the crowd goes wild. They love the show. Daisy, Donald, the caballeros, woo! The baby bull, what? Comes to the show too, just when they thought they lost him. The scent of the rose. The nose is strong with this one. Followed them, found them in the crowd. And bloop, sat right next to Minnie and started to sniff her rose all over again. Oh! He just likes my flower, Minnie says. So she gives the bull her rose. And the bull is so happy, he gives Mickey a big, sloppy, wet kiss. Well, at least we know the only danger is from getting a sloppy, wet kiss, not from getting bitten by a bull or head-butted. And Minnie giggles. What a perfecto day. Look at this. You know what these are? Stickers! The book comes with stickers! Okay, I'm going to take them off later very carefully because these are precious stickers and I have to find a very special place to stick them. And that was Mickey's Perfecto Day! La 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 la. Was that you guys singing too? Oh, yeah. Maybe we'll start our own band. Maybe we'll be a duet. Oh, Mickey, you know I love singing duets with you. Oh, gosh. Let's go make another Perfecto Day out there. Oh, have you subscribed yet? Oh, of course I have. Oh, because all the cool rats are on Big KidTime StoryTime. Did you know that? Oh, yes, and the mice too, and the ducks. Oh, they sure are. See you next time, kid, and I hope that all your days are perfecto, especially here when you're with KidTime StoryTime.